Hello everyone, today I have a review of another replica of the switchblade ProTech model TR-3 in the box. You can find the leaflet. Total length is 20 cm, blade length is 8 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm. The steel of the blade is D2 or 9CR18 MOV, but the markings are 154 cm, tempered to approx 58 HRC, flat grind, stone wash finish. The inscription on the blade ProTech, USA. On the other 154 cm, opening with a push button. The handle is made of red aluminium, but versions with green and black handles are also available. There is no any safety switch here, but the recess where the button is located effectively prevents accidental opening of the blade. The stainless steel pocket clip without any motif, and a hole for paracord. In summary, another interesting switchblade, good mechanics and overall quality, strong spring, and thanks to the profiled handle, the knife fits very well in the hand. Generally, it's one of the best automatic knives I ever had. I've been clicking with it for a while now, and I have to admit I'm addicted to this. There is nothing to complain about. That's all this review, thanks for watching.